21. What's going on, guys? So today we're taking the C63 out to Centerline Motorsports to get some exhaust work done. I've been waiting to do this for quite some time, but I don't know why I've taken so long to do it. Basically, we're switching the X pipe setup on this car out for a H pipe with a skinny little crossover pipe about 1/2 inch for the H section. What that's gonna do is it's gonna clean up the sound on the top end compared to the old white car, if you guys remember, which had straight sections for the res and the second cat. And it should still create a really deep sound, but way louder than this X pipe setup. It seems like the X pipe setup in this, it opens up the exhaust flow and it like smooths out the tone way too much. So it's not really suitable for what I'm looking for. I think you guys are really gonna like the sound it's gonna be once we have the new setup. Stay tuned. X-Pipe completely changes it. Like the regular AMG grunt is not there. More of a toned sound, there's no rasp. Oh, sometimes the downshifts have a nice bark to it, which reminds me of the old setup.
Bruh.
Go. Send it. That's crazy. So we got the AMG back from the from Centerline Motorsports with the new exhaust setup. Check it out. It's back, baby. Oh my god. The H pipe has made it a little bit quieter than the white car setup that I had, but it still sounds pretty damn good. It's definitely not as raspy as the white car had. The sound's a little cleaner. I would say still though, like I do miss the loudness of the white car, but this ain't bad. Like downshifts. Not bad. Listen to this downshift right here. Okay, all right. You know what? When I took it out of the shop, I started driving it for a little bit and I'm like, yo, what the hell, man? This is just as quiet as before. It doesn't sound the same as the white car. This actually sounds much cleaner in the upper RPM band compared to the white car. The low end isn't as deep, but it's still got the AMG grunt back thanks to the H pipe that I put in compared to the X pipe. So honestly, it's not bad. Let's see. I'll shut my mouth and get some straight exhaust clips for you guys. I don't know if the car got more torque in the low end, but it's a possibility from the H pipe. 3K downshift. It's the best off-throttle downshift you can do in an AMG. I don't know how I almost considered giving this up for an E92 M3. Like, Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.